Hi, I'm Arden. In industrial embedded systems, time really matters. But with many fanless embedded PCs, even opening the chassis and installation can lead to downtime. That's why ADLINK's MVP 3100 is here to listen. Let me show you the difference. Reduced screw design in a modular layout. Make assembly and disassembly quick, even for first-time users. The ADLINK QuickSet enables fast, tool-free access to CPU, memory, and storage, letting users build, scale, and maintain rugged matrix systems with ease. With the MVP 3100, achieve big impact in 3 easy steps. Just lift, swap, and go. You decide.